Here is how to tag or mention people in your Instagram story. First of all, go ahead and launch your Instagram application and log into your specific account. Now, tap on the Your Story option in the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on this plus icon. Then after, select the photo or video that you want to post on your Instagram and tap on this drop-down menu from the right-hand side of the screen, and there you'll get the option of mention. Go ahead and tap on that. Now search for the person that you want to mention in the story and check this box beside their name, then tap on add. Or you can also go ahead and tap on this font icon in the top right corner of your screen, type in @ and select the person that you want to mention in your story. Then tap on this tick icon in the top right corner and they'll be tagged. You can also choose to show or hide their username from your story. After that, tap on this arrow button from the right hand side of the screen and then tap on share, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. In the case if you have already posted a story and you want to mention someone, go ahead and open the specific story. Tap on the mention icon from the bottom of the screen that is between send and more. And here select the person that you want to tag to this story. Check the box beside their name and tap on add and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.